Hi there, this is Mustafizur Rahman and today's my presentation topic is describe an honest person that I know. In my entire life, I come with lot of people. Among of them, I would like to talk about a person who is very much honest man. To begin with, he is a very patient person, especially facing obstacle in my life. Although occasionally he may be strict, in additionally, this person is half glass full person that's inspire me a lot. And this person name is Mr. Bijoy, and he is our neighbor. As far as I do remember, I first met with this guy a couple of years ago when I started in college. And most importantly, this person is a very famous person in our local area because he is a college teacher and he's very passionate person, and he has also greater qualities such as charming in his teaching. Moreover, there are greater numbers of reasons why I think this person is very honest. Firstly, this person is very sincere while he talking to others, and passionate, punctual person also. And in my life, I never seen him to broke his commitment to other. And as well as most important thing is he doesn't poke his noise to other business. So that's all for the today time being, guys. And please do subscribe our YouTube channel and join with our Facebook group, and please like our Facebook page. Thank you.